Hey guys. Okay, as you heard, I did fix it. So the only problem is this was like this, and when that's engaged, it won't rev up. So when you put it back this way, make sure it's that way for it to fire. It revs up okay. We'll see how it fires though. Let's see here. Okay. Not great, but not horrible. I noticed that the rev switch in the, how I can hold this, the rev switch back here, it does fit in your palm pretty well, and it almost fires when you don't, or it revs up when you don't even want to rev it up. But regardless of that, yeah, it is a little bit weak. So I looked up a video. I know one guy, I think he actually follows me, and I follow him, and Xbox Games. But he has the same problem, basically, you know, it's very slow. But hopefully in the future, we'll be able to fix that. You can actually almost, when this is like this, you can actually spin around faster than the actual motor. Because you got to remember, you're running off of AAA batteries, which are very small. So I may have to put this up into a LiPo stance, but yes, it does get heavy after a while. But again, this is one of those things where you fire it once and you're done with it. But it is pretty fun to shoot. I mean, here, I'll show you let me see if I can show you the carnage on the floor here. It's nothing huge, but you know. So, yeah. But you know how that works. But glad I got working so you guys could see the firing demo. But yeah, I think that's it. Just want to give you that little update and show the firing. If I can make any improvements into it soon, I will, but it may be a while just because it's a new product and only a few people have one on hand. I noticed that the other two that are coming out, the Twin Tornado and it's not the Hailstorm. The Hailstorm's like the rival blaster, but the Devil Tornado, is that it? Devil Tornado and the one where you can switch out the belt or the rounds or whatever. Those two, I think you can pre-order now. Not positive. I haven't really looked myself. But so far, I'm happiest with the Pro probably. Instead of that guy, I would probably dual wield, two Pros like this and get basically, 48 darts out of that. So, but for what it is, it's pretty funny. And, I think it has a niche for what it is. But yeah, I think that's it. Please like, follow, and share, and subscribe if you're not already, guys. And I'll see you in tomorrow's vid.